Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Yes, I just want to be sure. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. Lieutenant Beck, as you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake it, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw to the right!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Get ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, 9-Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention all aboard. This ship is now under the command of the First Order. You'll exit out immediately, then proceed to the right. Everyone out. Now, along. Everyone out. We know you're in there. No sense in hiding.
This is so bad.
Clear the chute for search. Show the transport carrying weapons and supplies. Down all passengers to the detention block. Troops, secure the flight deck.
So that's one way. And that's open to my jet. That wasn't even to my jet. No, but it's just like a... That's the first one. They said it's like 3 or 4.
How long have you been a spy?
All my life.
And this is the best you can do. You're not even trying to hide it.
Why are you turning around like Colin Rice's lightsaber? Of course, no one doesn't have an answer for that. I mean, especially this one, like he said, he can't even, doesn't even like to lie. And you both been honest since all along, how much better?
Take a step over to your left. There you are. Both lines will follow me. Formations together. Come on. How many? Red. How many? Orange. How many? 2. Red. How many? 2. Silver. How many? 4. Blue. How many? 2. Silver. Now, sympathizers, look down at the ground and memorize the colors I've given to you. They're very important for the interrogation ahead. You will remove any bags that may be on your backs, shoulders, or waist and hold them in front of you now. Makes for an easy interrogation. And we all like easy interrogations, don't we? Yes, at least I do, and that's all that matters. Once you enter the cell, do not lean on the walls, otherwise I'll make you clean the walls with a very small brush. It takes all day. Nobody wants to do that, trust me. Now, one of you has some information about the Resistance base, yes? No, this one over here. Trying to psych me out, but this one knows something. Yes.
Nothing.
You know nothing.
I know one thing.
What is that? Oh, Resistance propaganda, so young and foolish. Don't worry, we can convince you otherwise. Seems like they're ready. All of you into the cell. Go on. And I don't recall you telling them to put the backpack on, now do I?
Silver. Mind your pillow.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're still
to you next. Silver orange to you, right? Find your cutter.
Then we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Who's coming back with an attack force? Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recursos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the triple list, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Hello, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the further. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Detection block breach. Prisoners last seen on level D. There they are! Fire! The escape pod's just below us. Take the list down. Hurry! No! I said down! Requesting heavy weapons authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffold's talking. I really don't understand. Why are they stopping?
I think they're holding out for some kind of compensation.
Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage area.
Wreckage? I have a bad feeling about this.
No, sir, he came down in the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
Never leave anyone behind.
So this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors. Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5.